โจ้ด้วย
สวัสดีปีใหม่ what's up girl Hey, how are you doing? Happy Songkran. Happy Songkran. It's cold. Look at. Hey, สวัสดีปีใหม่ Hey, what's up, girl? Look at this energy. You will never see something like this. Woo! Especially the teenagers have enough energy to dance. You will see for 3 days in this Songkran. Hey, สวัสดีปีใหม่ Look at this energy. The heart of city of Songkran wine this time. Too loud. Both sides crowd. Cute friends. Cute. What's your name?
แฟรี่
Huh?
เขาชวน
Ferry
เดินไป
Plaza.
นู่นมันมีดีเจ
What's your name?
ไม่รู้
What's your name?
ยูlisten คอนเสิร์ตเดอะปากีสถาน
ไม่เข้าใจอันนั้น
อันนั้นไม่เข้า
I don't know.
ใจอันนี้
I love DJ.
ว่าคุณจะไป
Let's
ฟัง
go.
แหมหรือว่าดิสันแหมสี่ทุ่มแหม
What's up, guys? ทำไมคุณไม่สนุก Why you are not enjoying? ทำไมคุณไม่สนุก
สนุกเหมือน
Well, when you listen music, เงียบ
I didn't know that song
So you just understand song? Woo! Wow, it's too cold. Do you like play water?
not really
Not really?
Yeah.
But why Thai people love playing water, touching water in Songkran?
I have no idea
สวัสดีปีใหม่ Wow, look at
Hello
amazing.
I'm ready
Lady or
I'm ready
lady?
มาทันแล้ว you know
Wow.
ไม่ได้อีกคุยนั่น
Are you also lady or lady?
Lady 100% is Thailand amazing you know
Yeah, amazing ladies, 100%. Hey. Wow. Lady boys are also always funny. They entertain people. So they have lovely energy whole time, whole day. สวัสดีครับทุกคน สวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ Look at these beautiful girls. Like, hey, what's up, everybody? This is Songkran Festival, guys. So, yeah, I'm almost wet. Powder. Woo. It's okay. If you're gonna go out for playing Songkran, this is a Thai traditional New Year. So you're gonna face this. Yeah. Hang, everybody. สวัสดีครับปีใหม่ไทย Woo. Happy New Year, everybody. Hey. Look at. Everybody has buckets of full of powder. Yeah, they used to, powdering their cheeks on their cheeks. Songkran is actually for teenagers, and teenagers love Songkran. Look at. Oh. So guys, as I told you earlier, today isn't officially Songkran Day, it is tomorrow. But people here in Isan region is actually hot-blooded. They love parties, they love energy. Look at the text. Hey, สวัสดีปีใหม่ทุกคน Hey, look at. Girls are always pink. Actually, here in Isan is different. Like they like to use to, powdering